Hello everyone, this is the second time I want to show you how to divide a big number without using calculator. Easy trick. Now, I know we all know about long division, but long division can be faster than they taught us. Now, first of all, solution. This is 6. And this is long division. Let's start. Start with the first one. Can 6 go into 1? No. Can 6 go into 13? Yes, which is what? 2. That's 12. 2 times this one is 12. Minus, this will give you 1, right? You bring down this one, making it 14. Can 6 go into 14? Yes, which is what? 12. That's 2. 6 times 2 is what? 12. Subtract it, give us what? 2. We bring down this one. Can 6 go into 24? Yes, and that is what? 4. Put it here. 6 times 4, 24. 0, 0. Then we bring down this one. 6. Can 6 go into 6? Yes, and that's what? 1. Simple. 6 times 1, 6. You have your answer to be what? 2241. You don't need to start cracking your head to start getting how 6 can divide this at once. You start bit by bit, and with that, you're done. Within 1 minute, you are done. We're going to go into when a fraction is needed, when it gives us a decimal point. Like this will give us a decimal point. Let's divide this using long division method bit by bit. You will see how we're going to get the answer within a minute. Solution. 4, 4, 5, 8, 5. 4 going to 4, 1. 4 times 1, 0. Bring down 5. 4 going to 5, 1. 1 times 4. You bring down 8, right? 4 into 18 is what? 16. 4. 4 times 4, 16. So just like give us what? 2. Now you bring down 5. 4 into 25 is what? 6. 6 times 4 is what? 24. This one now, that's when the decimal point comes in. Put the decimal point and then you add 0. 4 into 10, 2. 2 times 4, 8. Add another 0. 4 into 20, 5. 5 times 4, 20. Subtract, you're getting what? 0, 0. Simple, within a minute, you've gotten your answer. What's the answer? 1146.25. If you don't want to follow this long process, there's another video. I'll link it to this video. There's a shorter one that you can do it easily within a minute. This will give you easily in a minute, but if your papers are being are small, this will take your time. But the one that is easy, within a minute you are done. Thank you.